Once you've assessed the individual's physical and contextual factors, you'll then proceed to selecting the appropriate seating system for the individual. Um, During this phase, it's probably best to give the individual a trial period where they can take the system home to try it in the natural environment. Also, you want to know what specific cushions or positioning components are needed for the individual to have the optimal use of the wheelchair system. Uh, so after you've looked at all of that, you want to make sure that the sitting system meets the consumer's goals and needs. Um, does the individual have postural stability while in the wheelchair? Can the individual complete their activities while using this wheelchair? And are there any other resources available to maintain this seating system?